Honorable Mr. Spivey, dear friends and family, honorable teachers, and my fellow graduates, I'm honored to stand here along with you to celebrate the countless achievements of the class of 2009. To my fellow graduates, this is it. We've moved from pre-K to elementary school, from middle school to high school. We've spent almost half of our lives behind the walls of education. With baby steps, we've moved on. 12 years of education have passed, and here we are, waiting for life to give us its best shot. The world has tendency to change people in either way, but to be yourself in a world that's constantly trying to change you is the greatest achievement that you can ever have. And we have fulfilled that achievement, and we will continue to do so. We have stayed true to ourselves. As life says hello, we're probably going to make many mistakes as we have, but hopefully we'll learn from them. Life is boring without mistakes. We may not enjoy every moment of it, but we will certainly get through. We know from our past that we really don't like to give up. We really wouldn't be sitting here if we didn't have the determination to learn how to walk or to read or write. As we graduate and move on with our lives, life will probably take over us. We will be busy. Some of us will be studying, while some will be having fun, while some will be doing both. We've learned that even a nerd in this class has a really mischievous side to him or her. We have laughed and cried over tiny matters. We have fought a lot, and then we've also made up. We will never again sit in the same class with the same classmates for 4 years again. Some of the students in this class have been together since pre-K, while others became friends after being strangers. It will be really hard to go to college without the same people, and it's really hard to leave your friends. But we've learned that we can make it. It's as if our problems vanished when we came to Westside. Some of the days we really didn't want to come, but we came anyway. I would like to thank my fellow graduates for the amazing job they've done. You deserve this. I'm proud to say that I'm graduating with the class of 2009 rather than any other. There's a student with every type of personality in this class, but we're all together. There are many expectations from this class, and I'm sure that we will all make them true. This outstanding class will surely make a name for themselves, in a nice way, of course. Many of the students sitting here are going to be attending many of the finest universities. Some are also going to play a sport for their colleges. I congratulate you all for working so hard, even when senioritis was having its worst effect. You earned it. I would like to thank the teachers for bearing with us during our hectic senior year. You've worked very hard to get us where we are. I would personally like to thank all of my teachers and the school for helping me when I had trouble even speaking English. That must have been hard. For your support, I cannot thank you all enough. The students here have bonded with the teachers. The friendly nature of our teachers have made the classes even better. Your hard work shows itself in the class of 2009. I would like to take a moment and thank Mr. Spivey for the incredible work he's done. Mr. Spivey, we will always miss you as our principal and as an individual. We've learned discipline from you. You've always encouraged us, whether it was academic or athletic field. We will remember your helpful advices. Westside and our class will always miss your presence. Some of us have told us that life's going to be hard. Some have told us that it's going to be fun. But no one has yet said that life is going to be easy. But it can be whatever we want it to be. And we've proved that. We decided to make something out of our lives by hanging on to every thread and working so hard to graduate. We're proof of the future. We're the proof that if we made it here, we can make it anywhere. We are definitely proud of ourselves. But let us thank our parents and family for believing in us and encouraging us. You have given us the courage to move on after falling. We have an advantage that many of our parents did not have when they were in high school. I thank my parents for supporting my actions and telling me right from wrong when I didn't know any better. I would also like to thank my sister for taking so much time out of her own studies to help me with mine at any time. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Our families are a major reason we're here. You've done it. You're the reason every one of us is graduating today. We love you for the life you've given us. Let us also thank our friends who are also graduating with us, and some are not graduating because they are underclassmen. They've been with us through all the ups and downs. I would personally thank all of my friends for bringing me out of my shell, to encourage me to go beyond the books and giving me the best high school experience ever. Our friends have made our high school experience the best. We're sad that we will not be with our friends as long as we have been. As we graduate, we're anxious. We're also a little afraid of what's to come. I'm afraid too. I don't know how we will react to our lives, but I do know that we will do it rationally. We will make us and others proud of ourselves. We will face reality. We will receive a whole new freedom. It really doesn't hurt with a bit of responsibility. We will grow up one at a time, so let's enjoy every moment of it. Take a moment and remember all of your classmates, all of your teachers, everyone that you've been through in these past 12 years. Today is the day to celebrate what we've done so far. I thank you and hope you enjoy your life wherever it takes you. Thank you.